Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2008 Bobcat 463 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions. I'll get up close to everything, show you everything I see, tell you everything I know. Then of course we'll fire it up and run it through its paces, let you hear the engine, show you that there's really no play up there in those loader pins and bucket pins, show you the hydraulics are nice and strong. As always, if you are in the market for a used skid steer, a used piece of construction equipment, or a used piece of farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for machines find our videos and find our machines, and we truly, truly do appreciate that. All right, like I said, this one's a 2008 463. We don't see a ton of these. These are like the precursor to the S70. Very nice little machine, cab with heat. Sticks and pedals, Kubota Diesel engine. This one has front auxiliaries, 700-pound lift capacity, 2,708-pound operating weight, 847 original hours. The hour meter does work, and as you see as we go across here, it's a very, very clean machine, very nice machine. As you see, the white paint is very bright. It's a very straight machine. Tires are decent. There's tread life left on these tires. This front rim here is probably the worst of the four. It's got a couple little dings in the bottom of the rim here. It's holding air. We've not had to add any air to it or anything, but there are a few little dings in this rim. This rear tire, again, definitely has some tread life left, a little straighter than that front rim. There's some paint chipped off in a couple spots, nothing out of the ordinary for a used skid steer. Back here's nice and clean, nice and bright. There's a few little scratches, a little scuff or two. A couple little scratches there, but overall very, very nice for a used skid steer. A couple little scratches here on the loader arm, but again, it's a used skid steer. Very straight for the age. Decals are pretty decent. That factory pin's missing on the door. We've got a little pin that we'll put in it. The rear door is pretty straight, and the paint's obviously pretty decent. A few little scratches down here, but doesn't have any big dents or dings in it. Just kind of your normal scratchy back here. Nothing out of the ordinary. Back here on the top of the cab's pretty clean. Coming back over here, same thing. This side's pretty clean. A few little scratches here and there. Nothing out of the ordinary though. Pretty darn nice, really. Again, this rear tire has some tread life left. This rear rim's decent. It's got some scratches, but front tire's pretty good. Again, rim's decent. It's got a few little scratches. This side again, pretty clean underneath here. The gray paint on that shield there's kind of starting to come through a little bit, kind of coming off a little bit, but nothing out of the ordinary for a used skid steer. This loader arm again, paint's nice and bright. There's a couple little nicks here and there, but again, overall, very, very clean skid steer. I do not see any cracks or welds or plating anywhere on the loader arms or the back of that skid steer plate. Probably the only thing I noticed, this bucket, this front corner up here has been busted. Other than that, the bucket's nice and straight. There's no big bows or anything in the bucket, no major dents, but that bottom corner down there has been busted there. We'll go take a look in the engine compartment. All right, like I said, Kubota Diesel engine, as you can see here, very clean, nice and dry. I don't see any oil or diesel running down the side of the block. Pretty clean down here as well. Everything up here looks pretty good. Inside of that back door looks good, nice and straight. Take a look inside the operator station and at this front. As you can see here, this front is very, very clean. It does have a couple little chips of paint down there, a couple little scratches right here in the front, but very nice overall. A couple little spots there where the paint's chipped. That cylinder looks good. That grip tastes good. All the glass looks good in the cab. I don't see any glass where it's cracked or anything anywhere. Everything's good here where you step into the cab. Down by your pedals is very clean. Those pedals are in good shape. Both of your operating sticks are in pretty good shape. A couple little pieces of rubber missing right there, but nothing out of the ordinary for these things. The seat's in good shape. I don't see any cuts or tears. Try to climb in here. Again, everything's good on this side. Clean there. I don't know if you can see it here. 847 hours. Door handle's in good shape. Everything looks good up here. Sometimes you'll see on some of these where they get busted up here where the cylinder comes up. This one looks really good. I don't see anything there. Like I said, I don't see any cracks or welds or plating anywhere. Back of the skid steer plate looks really good. Does have, like I said, front auxiliaries, front electric. All right, if you want to see more photos, or the photos of it, they're on our website. Our website is down below in the description. If you have any questions, comment down below. We'll try to answer any questions we have for you. We'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.